Hi, welcome to the construction update of this beautifully crafted 4 to 5 bedroom terrace project. Today, we bring you exciting news as this amazing project reaches new milestones. Let's dive right into the progress. The construction team have been working tirelessly, and we are thrilled to announce that the building has reached a very significant stage. The window installation have been carried out with precision. Floor-to-ceiling energy windows have been strategically installed to allow abundance of natural light flooding the interior spaces, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Inside the rooms, progress is seen in every corner. The walls have been expertly plastered, showcasing a seamless finish. The spacious rooms are beginning to take shape, leaving us in awe of this amazing masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this exciting construction update. Be sure to follow our journey as you witness the transformation of this remarkable project. Until next time.